bro, at this fucking point, this hacker's ass. Oh, shit. Hey! Hey! Ben, chill! Ben, chill! Ben, chill! Like, chat, what's a good exercise to get your cardio right? Are you serious? I knew this shit was a virus. I knew it was a virus. I knew it. I knew it was a virus. I knew it, bro. Oh my god, dog. I beat the virus. Aha. Task manager. Task manager for the dub. Task manager for the dub. Task manager. We know how to beat the virus now. We beat the virus. I have Ben. Come on, Ben. Try harder, Ben. Ben, try harder. Try harder, Ben. Try harder. Come on. You shouldn't have done that. Done what? Try harder. Try harder. Chill. I can still beat the virus though. My tax manager. Yo, chat, we can keep beating this virus like literally over and over, bro. This virus is ass, bro. This virus can't fuck with the speed, chat. We gonna keep beating this virus over and freaking over, bro. This virus is not scary, chat. This virus is ass, bro. Ben thought he had one. Shouldn't have done that. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Chat, this virus is not scary. It's not scary. Because tax manager just, like, literally does it. Now what? What's about to happen now? The fuck? Wait, I just thought about it. How are they fucking with my computer? How are they, wait. Oh my mama, I swear to God, on my dead aunt, I swear to God, on my dead aunt, I'm not doing this. On my dead aunt. On my dead aunt. On my dead aunt. We alright. Chill out. Chet, should we call the police? Should we call the police? Our real shit. Should we call the police? Like deadass. Like real shit. Chet, should we call the police? Like deadass. Like no troll shit. Like I'll call them right now. Would you stop doing shit, Ben? Come on, please answer, police, bro. Please answer. Please answer. Police.
Please leave your message.
What the fuck? Why the police not answering? Police, please answer. Oh my gosh.
Please leave your message.
Bro, oh my fucking... Alright, bro. Fuck it, bro. It's something happened to me, bro. Something happened to me, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. Who cares, bro? It's Big Speed over here, bro. I don't even care no more, bro. Nice to see you again. What you gonna do about it, bro? I'm a grown-ass man. What you gonna do, dog? Fuck you gonna do? Fuck you gonna do, bro? Do you know my slogan? I don't know your slogan, hacker. Come on, Mr. Hacker. Come on, bro. Come on. Now what? You shouldn't have done that. I don't give a fuck, bro. I don't care, bro. I'm a grown-ass man, bro. You talking to a grown-ass man right here. I have to think that you do not take me seriously. I'm not taking you seriously. You can't do shit to me personally. I'm a grown-ass man. What you gonna do, bro? Undeceives yourself, user. What the fuck? What are you talking about? The last time you saw me normal, it was on this game. More just mask. Okay. Today, my slogan will be very useful for you. Chat, we are so scared, chat. Now, let's play together. Let's play, hacker. Come on, hacker. Show me something, hacker. Ryan, just stand up. Do something. Exactly. Look, exactly. The hacker can't do shit. Let the show begin. Do you know my world? I'm still not scared, bro. I'm not scared, chat. Like this. Have you seen a chess? No, what are you talking about? Do you know what's inside your mom? Do you want to know? Yo, bro. This hacker right here, bro. Like chat. Yo, bro, he can suck my nuts, bro. Seriously, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. This whack-ass hacker. Open a chest. Shay, y'all ready to open a chest? Come on. Bro. Where's the chest? Understand what? What did I do? Think I am. Bro, this hacker getting too serious, bro. This hacker ass. Hey! 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 the end. Aha. We made it out alive. Period. What am I doing? He's still going. Die, kill me right now. Kill me. Bro, this hacker ass, bro. Like, let's be honest, bro. This shit is not scary, bro. Like, this hacker is just fucking my computer, bro. He's not doing nothing. Who was that? Ugly ass. God, you're ugly as shit. What's funny? Yo, fake. But this hacker ass, bro. Hey, bro, ain't nothing even happened, dog. Nothing happened. Nothing happened! Call the police? Alright, I'm about to call the police, bro. I'm about to call the police, bro. I'm about to call the police, chat. This whack ass game. Whack ass game, bro. This shit not even scary, bro. This game is so, bro. It literally added like stuff to my thing. Like, this game is not scary. What I do? I did 3, right? Chat, should I do this last one? Whack ass hacker. Chat, should I do this last one? Should I do the last one, chat? Fuck it, I don't even care, bro. Why not, bro? Who cares, bro? Who cares, bro? Why did I do that? For letting me enter I'm done. You know what, chat? I'm done. I'm done, bro. Yo, bro, at this fucking point, this hacker's ass. Oh, shit! Hey! 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 Ben, chill! Ben, chill! Ben, chill! Ben, chill! Who the fuck is this little ass, corny ass? Bro, who is this? Get off my damn screen! Peekaboo. What the fuck is going on? Hey, Come here. I'm getting hacked. Oh God, I'm getting hacked. On my life, I'm getting hacked. Come here. Oh God, I'm getting hacked. Come here. On my life, I'm getting hacked. I swear to God, I'm getting hacked. I swear to God. He left. He's actually hacking my shit. Oh my, I swear to God. Like on my life, I'm not trolling. Like, swear to God. Like streaming shit aside. Like, I'm actually getting my shit hacked. Like, he's in my shit. Like, he can fuck with my computer. He's fucking with my computer right now. What? No, bro, if I does that, he gonna get into my stuff. Oh my God! Look! Stop! For this fucking hacker, dog. I'm about to call the police. Oh God, I'm calling the police, bro. Oh God, I'm about to call the police. I swear to God, on my dead, I'm calling the police. I swear to God, look! On my life! I gotta call the police. I swear to God, I'm calling the police. That real shit.
911, what's your emergency?
Right now, I'm streaming right now live on YouTube. Somebody is cyber hacking my laptop. Somebody is cyber hacking my PC right now.
Okay, sir, calm down, calm down.
Somebody is cyber hacking my computer right now.
Okay, sir, just take a deep breath.
They're in my malware right now. They're in my malware right now.
Okay, sir, just give me 1 second.
It said, help me! Help me, please, 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 real
Sir,
shit.
I need you to just calm down real quick, okay? I need as many details as possible. What's going on?
Somebody is cyber hacking my PC. They're cyber hacking my PC.
Okay, sir, give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Okay, could you tell me exactly, like, what's going on?
الله أكبر! يا مبارك! يا سلام! الله أكبر!